Hey there, it's Larry. Why hey there? I don't greet people. Into that. Ha ha. This is real close to the camera. Hey, how y'all doing? Hi, my name's Larry. And if you know anything about me, you know I really enjoy arts and crafts, and I just really like being visually creative in any kind of way. I also really enjoy watching people become creative or find themselves doing things they didn't know they could do. So I thought I might combine those two ideas together and share with you all a short instructional series in arts and crafts, doing things like sewing, baking, maybe we'll play with some perler beads. I have a whole lot of supplies here in my little studio that we can explore together. I've done a lot of different things. I've tried a lot of different crafts. So if you have ideas or suggestions on things you might want to try, please send those to me. It's likely that I've tried it, which by no means makes me an expert, but it means I might have the stuff here to try and do it the right way this time. Most of the things that I've learned have been through trial and error and through the assistance of some really great creative people in my life, and of course, YouTube and the internet. I can't guarantee you guys will love everything you make, but it will at least give you a way to spend some of the time that you have been wonderfully gifted. And I will be crafting with you guys very soon. Bye.